Hey guys, welcome back to this new vlog series. From west, we are back to the northeast, exploring one of the most famous and tourist state, that is Meghalaya. In this series, we will be sharing with you some absolutely breathtaking natural beauty of Meghalaya. As the name says, Meghalaya is called the home of clouds. Meg, that is clouds, and Alaya means home. Let's share with you a quick intro of this series that you can expect in this playlist. In this first episode, we can expect a travel vlog from Guwahati to Shillong, that is the capital, where in between we will be exploring the famous Umiam Lake, or the previously known as the Borapani, a very famous tourist spot. In the second vlog, you will be enjoying the awesomeness of the most wettest place in India, that is Cherrapunji. We will be exploring the famous Seven Sister Fall and the Cherrapunji Park. Luckily, we are there in the best time of the year, that is in April, when it was misty and cloudy but not raining. From waterfalls to the highlands, Meghalaya satisfies all our nature callings. In this third vlog, we move to the Laitlum Canyon, also known as the Great Canyon of East. A canyon is a deep valley with a very steep sides. On the way to Laitlum Canyon, we will be experiencing the highlands, which looks absolutely same as those of the Scottish Highlands. Okay, do I need to even describe this place? I know, this is absolutely breathtaking. This is the Krangsuri waterfalls, nested in the serenity of Jaintia hills of Meghalaya. The Krangsuri Falls is blessed with shimmering blue waters and large green surroundings. Let's keep Krangsuri untouched and we move towards our next destination. Okay, now time for some typical Shillong vlogs. We in this playlist tried to bring the most out of a limited time a tourist can enjoy in this state. The Elephant Falls, the Words Lake, and the famous Police Bazaar of Shillong, the Mall Road of other hill stations, is where everyone goes either to visit or maybe shopping or have some local cuisine. Along with these vlogs, I will be sharing some local cuisines of Shillong that you must try in this hill station. So I hope you will enjoy this playlist and be with us in this journey from Guwahati to Shillong through the Umiam Lake. Yeah, we almost reached Shillong, like it's 10 kilometers from here. The road was amazing, like I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. Now we have halted at the Umiam Lake, formerly known as the Borapani Lake. Amazing. The Umiam Lake, or formerly known as the Borapani. This is basically a dam. On my right you could see the lake, and on my left there is no water. Excellent view. Meghalaya is open now and there are many tourists right here. Enjoy. Next is a dam. See, this side you can see the lake. On the other side, see, this is completely dry. This bridge acts as a dam. On one side you can see the lake, on the other side it's completely dry. Few more kilometers to go and we will reach Shillong. Be with us the whole day. We will keep exploring Meghalaya and Shillong. We will visit various tourist places and this is gonna be an amazing trip. See you soon. Finally we reached Shillong. It was an amazing journey from Guwahati. It took around 2.5 hours to reach Shillong, and we will be exploring different areas of Shillong soon. So more amazing vlogs will be coming to your way. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and stay with us. See you in next vlog.